What is up, people? My name is Nate. Welcome back. We are at 438 Highland Road, the project that we just bought. We now own the thing, and as you can see, my boys are hard at work. It's a bit of a construction site. Funny story, we were not supposed to take out the main floors in the living space or the bedrooms, but miscommunication, they were torn up. Blessing in disguise, because there's this nice hardwood underneath, and I decided to get it refinished because that's a lot more valuable than putting some cheap laminate over top. Come take a look at this. Beautiful custom stain. My boys at Another Level Flooring, thanks for hooking me up. Also, I decided that I'm gonna just flip this house. We're gonna put it right back on the market. So to get the price that we needed, I had to redo the kitchen. So we actually tore out the kitchen, put in a brand new kitchen. I'm so excited to see what it looks like when it's done. You don't leave your jacket at a construction site. Yeah. What the fuck, boys?
Hey guys, just gotta talk to my contractor for a second.
Yeah, fuck.
What's that about?
Get to work! Okay? When we see slacking around calling, pick up a paintbrush, do something, man! I'm not playing around.